Hey loves, Tony here from TL Yarn Crafts. My friends at Lion Brand sent me a little goodie box to celebrate fall. So we're gonna open it together, and at the end there's gonna be a little surprise. It's not a surprise, it's a giveaway. I'm terrible at surprises, like really bad. Now look, before we do that, I'm gonna need you to take a second and like this video. If you just love unboxings and love giveaways, why don't you go ahead and subscribe too, because I don't know, maybe if we get a lot of likes on this video, Lion Brand will send me more boxes and then I can do more giveaways and then everybody's happy, right? Do it! Smash that like button, hit subscribe, maybe even tap the bell so you know when I have new videos out. I don't know, go crazy! Okay, don't go crazy, just do the things, okay? All right, let's get this box open, okay? That got a little crazy, but I just could not wait to get all this yarn out of the box. So there are a few different things, and I told them to surprise me because they were like, yeah, we're gonna send you some goodies. And I was like, oh, what is it? I was like, no, don't tell me. I was like, don't tell me, don't tell me. So there's a few different things for us to poke around at here and squish all the things. And am I the only one that when I get yarn delivered, I sniff it? Like, you know what? It just smells like yarn. It doesn't smell like anything. Okay, so the very first one we're going to look at right here is called Color Made Easy. This is a newer yarn from Lion Brand. I haven't really had a chance to try it yet. I swatched it very briefly, but I haven't actually done anything with it. So here's the deal with this. It is a level 5 bulky, so a step up from a worsted weight, but I think it's actually like the squish on this is actually really nice. What is it made of? So it's 100% acrylic, and you can tell it feels really nice. Like it's not scratchy or anything. It's actually pretty smooth. But you can tell it's acrylic. You can definitely tell, you can get it in the feel. So I'm loving this, and I'm thinking the reason it's so squishy is because this is like, what, 5 ply? This is some thick stuff. So it's thick, and I think with all of the plies on that, like you can see that one strand of this is made from 5 strands of thinner yarn, which makes it really, really bouncy. It's gonna make the stitch definition really nice, which is pretty cool. So it's suggesting a 6.5 millimeter hook for this. I don't know, man. I think I'd probably go up even higher. So they sent me this really pretty color. This one's called Huckleberry. I love myself some pink, and this one is called Millennial. Look at this. It's called Millennial for Millennial Pink, and it is definitely like a good version of Millennial Pink. It's not a baby pink, it's not a hot pink, it's not a cool pink. It is just a pretty, pretty pink, and that is the FedEx truck. Can you possibly make any more noise? So I love this color, Millennial. So again, you get actually a lot in here. It's 247 yards. This is a really big ball of yarn. The squish on that is really good. As far as the hook size, it says 6.5. I might even push up to like a 7 or even an 8. I guess it depends on what you were making. Like I could totally see, ooh, this color is pretty too. This one's called Shade. This is a really pretty like silvery blue, like a silver watery blue. That's gorgeous. So I could totally see making some really good accessories out of this. I have some hat patterns. I'll link them below, as well as links to all of these yarns. I'll put those below as well. I have some hat patterns and some scarves that use bulky weight yarn that I think would be perfect for this. I wish you could squish this. Like, do you see how deep my hands are going into this? Because the squish on this is amazing. So I love it. It is a 100% acrylic, and I haven't used a lot of 100% acrylics in a long time, so I'm curious to see how this will swatch up. Probably won't use these exact ones because, like I said, we're gonna have a giveaway, and I will let you guys have those. So I'm gonna move these to the side, and we're gonna see what else came into this box. So this is called Touch of Merino, which I'd heard about this, but I hadn't touched it. I know that Lion Brand has like a 100% merino in their LB collection, which is the really fancy one that you can only get online. And then I heard about Touch of Merino, which, not gonna lie, this feels just as nice as their merino. Like, I got some of their merino when I went to go visit Lion Brand in New York, and this feels amazing. This color is called Popsicle. It's 90% acrylic, 10% merino, but sometimes you get like those acrylics that are so crazy soft. Like, oh my gosh, I just cannot stop squishing it. I feel like a cat like making biscuits on this yarn right now. So you get 3.5 ounces, so 100-gram ball. That's pretty standard, 257 yards. This one is a 3 light, so this is a DK weight, and it's suggesting a 4mm hook. So I think that that is probably pretty practical for a yarn like this. This feels way thinner, honestly, than a DK weight, but you know what? I bet it blooms a lot, and I find that happens a lot with merino. And by bloom, I mean that after you work the stitches, it kind of puffs up a little bit. It almost blooms like a flower. So this yarn is really, really nice. It's really soft. I still cannot believe it's 90% acrylic, but whatever you say. It suggests that you hand wash it, probably because the merino in there. It doesn't say it's a super wash merino. It's just plain merino, so it probably will not do well in the washing machine. So this color is called Popsicle. It's this really pretty like emerald green, which is gorgeous. They also sent, this color is beet red, and it's like the perfect mix between red and purple. Oh my gosh, I cannot stop touching it. It's so soft. Okay, and this one is called Popsicle. No, this can't be right. Okay, wait. Oh, this one is called Ivy. This one's called Gardenia. This one's called Beet Red. Okay, so this one's called Gardenia, like the flower. Gorgeous. And it's like the perfect cream. These colors are so freaking good. Okay, and then this one is called Oxford Gray. I swear, if they didn't have an Oxford Gray in literally every single line of yarn, I don't know what I would do with myself. So this is Touch of Merino. It's really nice and soft. If I was thinking about projects, I think this would be beautiful for baby projects. As long as you have somebody that you can gift these to that like knows how to take care of baby stuff, because not everybody does, because this does say that it needs to be hand washed, but I think this would make a really cute little baby cardigan, or like one of those little bonnets. I think would be adorable. So let me know down in the comments like what you would do with this. I think these colors even, is it me or did these like scream holidays? Like this color is very reddish purple, but next to all of these, this is like a reddish purple and emerald green, cream, and gray. And for some reason, this screams like very sophisticated holiday. I don't know. I might have to keep these and make myself a holiday something. No, I'm going to put them in the giveaway. But let me know down in the comments what you guys would use this yarn for, especially these colors together. I think are so good. Okay, next up we have one of my favorite yarns, but we're going to talk about colors. For real. Gimme this. Mama's favorite. This is Woolies. Thick and quick, and my friends, I wish you could see, well, I'm kind of glad you can't see my studio right now because it's a complete wreck, but I'm right in the middle of craft show season, and I have all of my yarn everywhere, and most of that yarn is Woolies Thick and Quick, because I think it is fantastic for craft markets, because it's a super bulky weight. Let's look at this band really quick. Super bulky weight. It's wool ease, which means that it has a little bit of wool, but it's easy on the wool, right? So it's got 80% acrylic and 20% wool. So you've got the warmth of wool for sure, but you've got the durability of acrylic. And what's nice about this yarn is it is machine washable and dryable, even though it does have a little bit of wool in it. I think the merino in this makes it so it's not great for washing, but just kind of like the general, like probably sheep's wool, I would guess, in this makes it so you can wash it. And it actually washes extremely well. I've used this yarn for years, so I'm digging the colors that they sent to me. A few of these I've seen before, a few of them I haven't. So this one is called Glacier, and it's a ice blue, and it's so good. It's so pretty, and the squish on this is actually really good too. Let me give the sniff test. Right, you know what, it just smells like yarn. No big deal. I always just wonder, especially this yarn's been sitting in a box for a couple days because I wanted to open it with you guys, but I always wonder, like, when you take it out of the box, what should you expect? You got to do the sniff test. The hook size it suggests is 9mm. I feel like I usually end up using a 9 for like ear warmers, and then I'll use like a 10 for hats, and then I go up even larger to like 11.5 millimeter or like a 12 millimeter when I'm making scarves. So it really depends. This is a super versatile yarn, and I really am loving this color. Another color that I've used before, this one is called Butterscotch, and I actually have a lot of this in my stash right now. It's a really pretty, like very intense pumpkiny mustard color. Like if mustard and pumpkin had a baby, it would be called Butterscotch. Now, I am not a butterscotch fan as far as the candy, but if I was matching a butterscotch color, it would look exactly like this. Another thing to note, you get 106 yards with this, which you wouldn't think is a lot, but for super bulky projects, for projects that use super bulky yarn, this actually lasts like a really long time. I can make a scarf out of this with 2 balls. I can make a hat with like less than 1. I'll include some links down below too with some of my favorite hat patterns that I have, and also there were a couple that I saw on Pinterest and I'm like, I gotta try these. They use super bulky yarn. Now, let's get to the other ones that I am not quite so familiar with, okay? So this one, oh baby, this one is called Slate. Now, if you are living under a rock, been all the way out of the loop, don't know your heads from your tails, then you might not have heard of Slate. But Slate is one of the newest colors that Lion Brand came out with for the Woolies Thick and Quick line. And this is like the most perfect gray you've ever seen. Look, hold on really quick. I'm going to grab some of the other grays in Woolies Thick and Quick that I have, and I'm going to tell you why Slate is so special. Okay, so these are just some of the ones I was able to grab quickly. This one is called Marble, and it's got like grayish white black situation. This one is Charcoal. It's one of my favorites, and I think it's just so versatile and amazing. And then this one is called Gray Marble. What do you notice here? None of these are truly gray, right? Like you've got like this kind of watery gray with tweed. You've got this like pretty heathered like black basically, and then you've got this one which when it works up it's almost like striated, and it's got gray but the base of it is white. Get rid of those and talk to me about Slate, honey. Slate is like legit gray, and it's like the perfect shade of gray too. It's not watery, it's not abrasive, it doesn't have anything else in it. There's no tweed, there's no heathering. It is legit just gray, and I have not found this yarn in my local Joann's or anywhere. So I am so glad, and you know what, I love you guys to death, but this is not going in the giveaway. This is going in my stash. I love you. The Slate is mine. Thank you. Don't even look at it anymore. Don't look. You know, you can look at it. That's fine. You can look at it. And then this other color, which honestly I have never seen in my life. This one is called Carousel, and it is so fun. Okay, so let's look at all the colors in here. Well, first off, I think one of the things to note, if you look at the ball bands, and you've probably noticed this if you've used Woolies Thick and Quick before, is that some of kind of the specialty colors will have less yardage than the core colors that they have, right? This one has 87 yards and it's only a 5-ounce ball. This one is a 6-ounce ball and it's got 106 yards. So just make sure you're paying attention to that when you are picking yarn for your projects. They're the very same yarn. It's the same weight, it's the same thickness, but this one's got 5 ounces, this one's got 6, so the yardage is a little bit different. Okay, back to this gorgeous ball of fabulousness. I feel like this should smell like cotton candy. Let's see. No, it does not. Just smells like yarn still. Okay, so this one's called Carousel. There's so many different colors in here. I'm seeing fuchsia, peach, mint. There's like a really pale taupe in here. There's like, oh my gosh, there's like blues, like powdery blues. It really, it looks like a piece of candy to me. I absolutely love it. And I think this would be great for like kids projects, or if you were doing, oh my gosh, what if you were doing like a unicorn Halloween costume or something like that. Like this is so cute and fun. And I think too with something like this, if you found like more of this taupe color, or even pulled in more of the cream that's kind of at the base of this, you could really tone this down if you wanted to. I'm going to take this ball band off really quick and just kind of dig in here. Like this is so gorgeous. I really love that they pulled in some of the taupey browns to kind of mute this a little bit. Otherwise, I think it'd be obnoxiously childish. But this, I don't know, this might go in my stash too. I don't know. I haven't decided. You know what? I haven't decided all around. Okay, so let's try and put the ball band back on. Ugh, get in there, girl. Suck it in. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay. So just to recap, Woolies Thick and Quick, this is Slate, this is Carousel. They're both gorgeous. This is Glacier, this is Butterscotch. I've worked with both of those and they are amazing. If you've never worked with Woolies Thick and Quick before, like, what are you doing with your life? I don't know. Make it happen. This one is Touch of Merino, which is brand new to me. I've heard about it. I've seen it, never touched it, never worked with it before. Absolutely love it. And this still feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas to me. This ivy color, perfection. Okay, and then this one is Color Made Easy, which I've heard a lot about. I think Lion Brand has been very strategically encouraging the maker community to try this new yarn. I've seen a few patterns, not a lot. I haven't put out anything myself with it yet, but it's really nice. The squish on it is amazing. I think it's great that it's 100% acrylic and it's a bulky weight, which I feel like a good bulky weight yarn is sometimes really hard to find. Okay, let's get down to the details about this giveaway, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this yarn back in the box and I'm going to send it to one lucky person. I'm going to put the details about who can enter, who can't down in the description, but basically what you need to do is make sure you go to the blog post associated with this video and comment on that blog post. Let me know your name, what state you live in, and what you would do with any of this yarn. This giveaway is only going to be open to US residents. I'm sorry. So go ahead and enter that giveaway. Thank you so much to my friends at Lion Brand for this very fun goodie box. And on top of all of that, even if you don't win the giveaway, Lion Brand has given me a special coupon code just for TL Yarn Crafts watchers. So you can use the code TL Yarn 20, this one right here, TL Yarn 20 for 20% off on lionbrand.com, and that counts for kits and yarns. Basically anything that's not on clearance, you can get 20% off on lionbrand.com. So I'm going to include that link and a link to, I'm going to include that code and a link to Lion Brand and some of my favorite kits down in the description, so check those out. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. This was super duper fun. Enter that giveaway. Make sure you click like on this video and we can maybe do some more unboxings. Subscribe and use that coupon code from Lion Brand. Thanks so much and I will see you next time. Bye babes.